You are the content.
You can't do it because you're not entertaining. That's true.
Yeah, I think
I
that's
know you're not
it.
entertaining.
Because like, dude,
You're
as soon
really
as
awkward.
I'm like, I should just send you guys a video. Like, as soon as I turn the camera on, everyone just like, I don't know, it's just really.
Me and John are like, hi.
Yeah, John. Hi, this is our Gold Coast stream. I mean, a Gold Coast vlog.
And Tim's just like saying something stupid, like sheesh. Like,
That guy is obsessed. All he does, you just be sitting in your own room or something or outside, and then you just hear a random like, how do you say it? Like sheesh. I don't know. He does that all the time.
just getting it interesting. Yeah, it was pretty fun. We were too scared to drive it ourselves. It looked too pressury. Because like John looked like so like intense, and I was like, that looks a bit too intense to me.
Apparently, we would have had to go into the water in the middle of it because I thought they'd pull over. Yeah, but Tim was like, he's like he wanted to switch so he could get into the water.
Oh,
and I was like,
I think he just
glad
wanted to switch, right? Or was he just trying to get you to switch?
But
I don't
want to do that though.
Why would he want to get in the water?
I don't know.
Don't judge it. Study stream. I see with a lot of study YouTubers, it's like how to or tutorials.
What?
Yeah, I'll give you my
making
tutorials.
Notes and stuff.
I don't have any tutorials to give though. No, you're banned in my stream.
Why? When are you streaming next? Am I even following?
Whoa, you should be. Your friends.
Oh yeah, we are.
Wait, promo. Get 20% off your first sub gift.
Whoa.
She's like, whoa, that's not doing that.
I have to give a sub.
You were never bleak. Oh no, not this again.
again.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Oh, dude, you should be a YouTuber.
Yeah, you sound great.
Yeah, I didn't remember that. Hey, so how's MATLAB? Oh, we switched to Python for coding now. I fucking hate it. How's your Sydney day trip? It was fun.
It's
honestly.
good. We ate a lot.
Yeah. I thought our Sydney one was like more eventful than our Gold Coast or something.
To be honest, I think I enjoyed Sydney a lot more.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I think it's because we know more people in Sydney.
Is that why? Yeah,
I think food was better.
Oh yeah, maybe that's why. Oh yeah, there's not much food in Gold Coast. But we spent so much money in Sydney. It's not even
Oh my
funny.
god. I am so poor now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm streaming either Wednesday, Thursday.
Can't wait to not see you
Or
then.
I'll see you exactly then.
Yeah, but when are you doing it? Yeah, when's the hot tub stream? Should
you
just
actually?
vlog your Sydney trip.
I feel like I should have vlogged
Yeah, I thought Sydney was more interesting.
Yeah, 'cause I feel like
honestly.
you
we
actually
actually
were
did
there.
so much.
Yeah.
In Sydney. Yeah,
That's true.
That's true.
Next time I go to Sydney, well, we're moving to Sydney, so...
Next time, Peter, you have to see us.
Yeah, was that... Did you even go to Brisbane, or was that just a line to see us?
Actually, we might be moving to Sydney.
Yeah. In 2 weeks. See you guys then.
Yeah, see you guys then. Not everyone, but everyone is in Sydney.
Kick you. You're moving to Sydney, yeah. Just so we can. And then we can eat K-barbecue together. Actually, I'm kind of sick of meat, to be honest.
Does Peter like K-barbecue?
Oh, is he vegetarian?
No, I just think does he like it?
But who doesn't like K-barbecue, man?
Yeah, I know some people. I don't
What?
think I like K-barbecue that much anymore. After all our trips,
Oh, yeah,
I'm like,
okay.
I don't know.
True. We did grab it ham.
It's not that good anymore.
When are you all getting vaccinated?
Can
Australia
we even
is doing a shit job, and we're literally at the bottom of the barrel, like of the list of people who are eligible for it.
Not Pog. Moving during lockdown, one cares. Is it? What? Okay, after lockdown.
What
we'll
lockdown?
move.
There's only a 2-week lockdown in Sydney.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting vaccinated tomorrow.
Is this your
Damn.
first shot?
Vaccinated, what's that?
Yeah. Australia fucked up their rollout, so it ain't happening soon. Are you getting the Pfizer vaccine, or are you getting the... I guess you guys might have more options as well. Well, guys, I guess this is the time where... Do we still have our crickets emote?
No.
I'm getting the Sinovac. I've never even heard of that. Sinovac? Is that what you said? It's a China one. Well, I'm sure it will be great. Monka S. Burp. Alright,
Okay.
I don't think much is happening, so...
Yeah, don't worry. It'll be the same thing when
yeah,
you come
you'll
back.
come back and you will see a message.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys.
If I'm dead, it's nice knowing you.
Well, you're not gonna die.
Yeah, it's fine.
I thought you
If
were...
you die, it won't be instantly anyway.
I don't know, is that... That's so funny.
Oh my god.
Wait, did someone say that?
I think you could, right? I don't know.
That's
You
so
can screenshot it.
Headaches and vomiting.
Why is that in Welcome? I must have done it on the wrong spot. Oopsies. I'll have to change it.
Plus, it is a nice knowing set. Let's be honest.
Hey.
What do you say? Crickets. Can you please just go back to what you're doing and go